Zion Williamson ready to go tonight here in Las Vegas. One of the most highly anticipated, highly debated debuts since perhaps the guy sitting courtside tonight, LeBron James, in attendance to watch Zion Williamson taking on his former collegiate teammate tonight, R.J. Barrett. And there's the first field goal by Zion Williamson on the slam. One of many more to come. Williamson inside. Like I said, many more to come. That's number 2.
The speed of his feet, so impressive.
Team Allen, defensively, there's his first goaltending call.
Take the goal, Joe.
Blew it inside. Robinson tapped it out to Knox. Zion rips it. Punches it home. Oh yeah, it's time to get in the gym.
Kevin Knox looks like he's got it corralled. Mr. Williamson says, no, sir. Let me show you how I do it.
Barrett. Splash. It's a team that had hopes of luring Kevin Durant, Kyrie Irving, and others, as Barrett is a guy that has made his way to New York via the draft. Okay. Fred Vincent draws one up for Williamson, and Zion Williamson now with 10 points. Williamson just had his three-pointer blocked, and Robinson with another slam at the other end. And Barrett on the move. Fouled. They were looking for a little basket interference. Barrett with the left hand working against Blewett. Got to the bucket and counted.
Well, did he bring that back to his left hand right at the end of that play? It looked like Mark. Nice move by R.J. Barrett. Getting news that Zion Williamson left knee, took knee-to-knee contact, and will not return.
Folks, we're experiencing an earthquake right now.
Whoa, yes we are.
Can you feel the earth below you?
Yes, I can.
The score clock is shifting ever so slightly.
I think they're going to clear the players, and appropriately so, as that scoreboard above midcourt was moving quite significantly.
The play is currently suspended. They just sent both teams back into the locker rooms. They're trying to wait until these speakers stop swaying.
The games have been suspended for the night here at Thomas & Mack. There are some acts of nature that eclipse everything, and this is one of them. This game has been postponed due to earthquake.